Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete labels in Gmail, how to delete labels in Gmail. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Gmail account. Here I have many labels, you can see. Okay, I just create labels. You can create labels from here also. Okay, so I just apply a label for particular emails to show you how you can remove it. So I just click on particular email and just label it by important documents. Okay, and apply. So you can see the label has been applied for this email. If now, in order to remove or delete labels from the email, just click on it. So this is how you can remove labels for particular images. If you want to remove labels, whole labels, you can remove it. How you can remove, I will show you in next. First I'm going to show you how you can remove labels in particular mail. Just open the mail, and here you can see you can enter the into, then label will be removed from here. Okay, or I just play again, and here click it. I just click on here, and you can remove label without open also. Just select the mail, go to the label, and just untick the label and apply. Then also will be removed. Now we are going to learn how you can remove labels, entire labels. So go to the more option here, and here you can see the manage labels. In manage labels, you can there is another window will show that labels, all labels, and from here you can delete labels. Okay, like here I just created import document label. So it is, you can hide also. Instead of, you, if you don't want to remove, you can hide labels, but still you want to remove, just click on remove. Okay, then it will be removed. If you want to edit, you can edit labels from here. Okay, so that is how you can delete labels, remove labels from Gmail. Thank you for watching.